Hello everyone, today we'll install Ubuntu 20.04 on VirtualBox 7.0, the latest VirtualBox manager. So let's start that. Click on new. I'll give name to my VM, Jabix-server or maybe Jabix server. Okay. And I have to choose where I want to keep this VM. I'll leave it is as it is. It will be on my C drive. I'll choose the ISO file that I have downloaded earlier for 20.04. It is auto detected the type as Linux and it's a 64-bit version. So let's go. Click on next. VBox user. The password is change me. Okay. Here it is setting up a domain name for me. Okay. You will keep it as it is. All right. Install in background. Click on next. Before that, what I'll do is I'll take a screenshot of it. So go to next, take a screenshot again, and then go to next. Here it is 2 GB already chosen as the base memory. Then I'll choose processor as two processors, right? And go next. Uh, Here you can use existing VDI if you have, or you can create one. Okay, and the option chosen is the dynamic one, or you can choose a pre-allocated full size. But I'll keep it as dynamic one. So and I'll give us 20 GB, right? And go next. As you can see over here, it is all the option that we have given has been shown here, so you can just check it out. Okay, before that have to see what is the network. There is no network option we have chosen, right? So go back. um, there is no network option here. Okay, fair enough. So let's click on finish, right? Now the schema is ready. As you can see it over here, it is being powering up. So before powering up, I wanted to do the network changes. So I will stop it. I will go to settings. I'll go to settings. Let the settings comes up. Yeah, the settings is now up. Here we have network settings. By default, it is choosing a NAT, right? I'll choose a bridged adapter, and this is my adapter details. Click on OK. That's it. Now start. Now the VM is powering up. Now the VM has been powered up and started booting from the ISO that we have given. So we'll just stop these messages. Yeah, now we have to choose the language. We'll do that. Uh, let's choose it. Uh, there is two options: continue without updating the installer. We'll go with update the new installer. It would need internet connection because it will try to download the new installer. All right, we'll have to wait here. And okay, we have to choose the layout of our keyboard. We'll keep it English. We'll install Ubuntu default. Click on done. Right. Uh, okay. Yeah. Click on done. Then we'll have to uh, configure our network card, right? Here, as it is a DHCP, it is taking a default, default IP from the DHCP server. But as I wanted to keep it as a server, so what I'll do is I will change the I'll change it to manual, right? So let's choose that, edit IPv4 instead of automatic DHCP. I'll keep it manual. Okay, I'll have to give the subnet. So I'll give it as 255.255.255.0. Okay, that's /24. Okay, it is asking for not the net mask, it is asking for the CIDR of my subnet. So I'll give it as 192.168 0 dot 0 slash 24 slash 24. Okay, I'll have to give a IP. Let's give it 192.168 0.193. Okay, gateway should be 192.168.0.1. Okay, name server, I'll give Google's name server. Okay, search domains, um, let's give it as virtual, it was virtualbox.org, so let's keep that. Okay, now I will save it. Okay, now it is a static IP, it is applying changes. Cross verify my IP. So let's say IP config /all. Okay, yeah, it is the same range. So I'll stop the video here and resume once it passes through this step. It's taking a bit time to apply the changes. So in our case, generally we will not be needing a proxy, but if in your environment you have a HTTP proxy, you can give that IP and port, right, for internet connection. Click on done. So done. It is fetching out, configuring the repos for Ubuntu. All right. So we'll give it some time to configure that and click on done. Check them still running. Do you want to continue or cancel? Right. So we'll cancel and give it some time to configure that for us. Okay, so it is reading package list. Let it configure first. here you have to give your disk's layout, right? Where your root file system would be, where would be your um, var file system, opt file system, and all that, and home. If you want to use complete disk with LBM and with the encryption as well, you can choose the first option. If you want to specify your um layout, then you have to use the second option, right? I'll use the first option. Okay, I'll not encrypt the disk now. Click on done. This would be our layout structure. I'm okay with the layout. Root will be 10 GB, boot will be 1.71 77 GB, right? I'm okay with that. Ubuntu VG is the volume group name, right? I will click on done. Are you sure you want to selecting below will begin installation process? Yes. Oh, sorry, what I did. Uh, Continue, select continue. Now you will have to give your name. Let me give my name, Manas. Um, Server name is Jabix server, right? PK username, I'll pick the same name as user. Password, I'll give a password to it. Done. Okay, we if you want want the compliance to be or the security patches, all those stuff, then you can upgrade it to pro or skip this one. Install OpenSS server. Yes, I want to install it. Done. Okay, any packages that you wanted to be installed, right? So we'll see resiliency keystone. No, we don't want that. Okay, we'll not install anything here. It would be a default one now. Click on done. We're in the final step of installation, right? As you can see over here, downloading and installing security updates. Uh, SSS server and everything has been installed. Yeah, so the installation has been completed. So we'll reboot the system now. Installation is completed. Thanks for watching this video. It's a bit lengthy. Hopefully you are able to understand the concepts. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe and like the videos. Thank you.